Not good.
Saffron.
Don't like it. She's gonna wake up.
I've been down here 1,000,000 times. She turns on the cooking channel, boom. She never wakes up.
You've been here 1,000,000 times?
I'm telling you, Saffron will be just the thing. Gusteau swears by it.
Okay, who's Gusteau?
Just the greatest chef in the world wrote this cookbook.
Wait. You read?
Well, not excessively.
Oh, man. Does Dad know?
You could fill a book, a lot of books, with things Dad doesn't know. And they have, which is why I read, which is also our secret.
Poor guy. His very little brain is half gone with grief.
I don't like secrets. All this cooking and reading and TV watching while we read and cook. It's like you're involving me in crime, and I let you. Why do I let you?
What's taking those kids so long?
Ah, L'Aquila Saffron. Italian, huh? Gusteau says it's excellent. Good thing the old lady is a food lover.
Forget mystique. This is about your cooking.
Hey, that's Gusteau! Emile, look!
Great cooking is not for the faint of heart. You must be imaginative, strong-hearted. You must try things that may not work. And you must not let anyone define your limits because of where you come from. Your only limit is your soul. What I say is true. Anyone can cook, but only the fearless can be great.
Pure poetry.
But it was not to last. Gusteau's restaurant lost one of his 5 stars after a scathing review by France's top food critic, Anton. It was a severe blow to Gusteau, and the broken-hearted chef died shortly afterwards, which, according to tradition, meant the loss of another star.
Gusteau is dead? No! You'll lead her to the colony!
Help! Remy, help!
Emile, start swinging the light! Try to grab you! Emile, wait to me!
Uh-oh.
Evacuate! Everyone to the booths!
The book! Guys, wait!
Piglet. It's only me, only Tigger and Rabbit and Eeyore.
We have it! We can go now!